Yeah, fear is fear right now, and you're not picking them for go capture one tomb.
Movement.
Movement. May I come. Just give me 20 minutes. 20 minutes. My hand are heavy hard as you see. You think my walk and dash over here when I pray. I say them talk a while ago, I feel like I want to do though. Then come in people, because jump in head quick, you know. I see Annie come out and Annie say, she plead to people. And I said to people, say, when Zoe go back to school, 1 year Zoe I believe for graduate. 1 year, no send back Zoe to school. In all fairness, do not send Zoe to school. Zoe wasn't home training. You understand me? Zoe never did get teaching at home. She was homeschooling. Don't send back Zoe to school. And you know, so you have an energy on the app. I'm going to tell you the truth. You have an energy on the app where you come with a lot of demonic spirit for ooze out from people. Zoe is a big woman now. Leave her. Leave her alone. Zoe don't need to go no more school. No more school. You took the child and you have her at home. You and the child walk up and down like on a roommate or on a catch man together. Leave the child. Nobody come on the internet but you are big people. Nobody no need to know if Zoe go to school today, tomorrow and next year. If you send the girl to school, you send her to school. Move from your son Annie and go with the depressed self. When always, anytime you know, so you have some people on the internet very happy and you know, come with a depression. And you put them at dog and sorcerer. When a dog and sorcerer, and you took the little baby in, and you're not even to say, make your son go one evening class, make your son go one church, where teach people how to spell pussy at dog and cat. You have are you also in a dirty life. And now you come, and money you look, Zoe ain't going to no school. And money you look. Money you look. Me see you keep treat over sending. Me hear say you say you are gonna keep treat. Not that you kept it. Me hear say you say you keep treat. Just to get money. And all I know. And you move your nastiness and go. You pick them at bag and sorcerer. All I know if you do is get together and breathe. Every September Zoe I go back to school for true. Still news now and same script, same cast. Rewrite the movie, man. And do some audition. On a two thief and life on the app. Hey, me say Jesus have mercy. Me say destruction. I gotta take some away, you know. God now gonna make some people suffer for some people. Destruction. Destruction I take some away. Who care about Zoe? Who care about you and your Pitney them? Who care about you and your Pitney them? You go like Zoe can't turn nurse now. Zoe broke in your ways. And your ways are not good ways. The little girl culture in a nastiness. You come about and now begging people. The last time Zoe get beaten at school, I true you depend on the internet with your dirty hole. I true you all over the internet with your dirty crutches. Remember you have all about in your mouth and hood in your hole? Eh? Remember? No, it's true. A long time Zoe I go school, Zoe uniform make, Zoe this, Zoe that. And nobody does see Zoe at school. Nobody. Everybody I look for Zoe go to school. All I know Zoe can go in a one class. You choose not to send the baby to school. So now that the little girl turned big girl now, you talk about Zoe still go to school? Send Zoe to a woman center, places with a baby mother. Send Zoe a woman center. Zoe need to go art. Not even they say that try to get the little girl in her. Not even there. Not even right there so. Yeah, come about and I'm big. You're too depressed, man. And I'm moving on nastiness and go. Eh? Nobody no remember about you. Other day that I come out where I breathe and say, I can I suck him at the baby shower this. What the time Annie I walk a capture house with furniture. Why you never sell the furniture them in the house where you capture and put her one nice loving shower for your daughter. So she not have to come with no expectations from the app. I mean, you know, how you have man a dig out on a big hole and a breed, you know, and then you want place on a burden for other people. You move on a nastiness and go telling you say someone no mama, someone only breed for the app, then Anna no know from she beg from the app. she can use condom, contraceptive, and all of them something for even for sex with one tampon in her. She don't know that. Annie now getting a big Annie come for beg. A silent begging this. Annie put her one silence up on her begging. A big Annie come for beg. I saw them stay, them walk and beg like dog, and when you call them out, them say yeah, bring them down. Yeah. It's true. It's just true. Annie put on a silence up on her begging, but I'm asking you. Annie mouth favor rusty gun nozzle. Oh, but I'm begging you all. Please don't trouble. Right now you tell people for trouble Zoe. You not even know what you do, but you can't only say that because you know Zoe ain't going to school. Or which school Zoe are going now? Which principal out of them right mind are taking Zoe? Which school are taking Zoe? Because if me a principal, Sharon Bliss, Zoe can't come and my number one, nobody for Annie, not even Wilbert. Sorry Wilbert. But you get it, yeah, it's true. You broke your Pitney them kill, it's like the mother. Annie have a whole heap of something. The other day Annie come up and Annie said she couldn't license the vehicle because she couldn't insure the vehicle because she didn't have the license. Then I never know you need license for insure a vehicle. Then I want to teach Annie and Jabas. Hey Jabas, come take back your young, you know. Because I don't know how you sell her a bike in a car farm. Eh? No, but Shannon lie me I tell. Me say, we not in a lie, Annie your crosses. You and your Pitney them are crosses, God believe me. Una crosses, man. Every year Zoe I go back to school and care in a classroom. Zoe know what ding-a-ling-a-ling mean? She go think of election. Eh? Go see the little girl look somewhere for vote. Una better trump the Pitney them heart and frighten them stomach. Leave them alone. Zoe broke in her way. You broke Zoe as you. You dog and sorcerer. Nobody not gonna tell you it so because it sounds too bad. But every year you come with the same thing. Every year this little girl go to school like week here. After we never plan and put on no money for gear for lunch. We not even have Zoe bus or taxi fare. Eh? Now other day Mika did there with one taxi man and them say you take him. And I saw the taxi man just a pass down. Eh? Yeah, come to school like nobody business. This is Zoe in a school uniform. We don't care. No, Nicoline, it's true. We don't care. You say about I'm begging you, please. When you don't see Zoe and trouble, of course people are going to see your daughter and trouble, you Pitney them. Down to Wilbert are going to get trouble. Not to mention red hands. But me say, what are we, hey, when you're there with some girl, you know, you can't look like them, you know. What are we red hands favor, Anna? The two of them look like them get liquid dish towel and sting with tablecloth. What are we them look wash out? Them the pan moja herb. Eh? Me just wonder if them the pan moja herb. What you mean chef do it for CD after CD no want Zoe? CD don't want Zoe. Oh, Zoe almost an adult. Zoe could have spent 1 year in a CDA. CDA don't want Zoe. So stop it. CDA don't want Zoe. The amount of things where Zoe go through and where Zoe mother put her through, CDA should have been captured Zoe. Unna like you the truth, but it's the truth. More people say, hey, the phone forever young go be no man and leave me alone. No, but I'm not lie me I tell. Every year Annie come with a 911 with silencer. Annie we not care. We don't care. We not care. You hear them come out and say, you carry Zoe go dash your belly. Eh? You never hear them come out and say so. You never hear them come out and say Zoe have man. And then nobody not see Pitney them as a little Pitney, not even Wilbert. You see the name we have Wilbert. You know say him go through many dangers, toil and snare and still look for overcome. Eh? Them say Zoe catch all STD, we know say it's not from toilet seat. Eh? And you and you Pitney them move from here so the whole lot of the same thing, same germs. Same germs, it's just the truth. Train up a child in the way she should go, and when you become a man, you will not depart from it, and you train up Zoe in your worrying ways. Go on, man. Other day, me can't breathe, and you come out and say you are breathe. And you know about that breathe, the belly turn back, or you sleep. You sleep so the belly slide. Eh, man in sarcasm. You slip so the belly slide. Okay, I see. Me not tell like Annie go lay down. You pick them for go rent the next woman for go rent her in a one cemetery. For true, cause you know worse than spirit. The next room where Annie fi capture one tomb. Me say them just heavy down the internet, heavy down the internet. Wanna compete with the For You page so till it look bad. Zoe ain't going to no school, so anybody who oversees a plan for buy knapsack, book and pencil and rubber and sharpener, a waste of time, my love. A waste of time. Right now Zoe forgot one local treat. She forgot one local treat. It's true. Wanna call people as wanna depend, oh God. Wanna call things as it is, you know. And for such people will always be who they are, nasty and dirty. Nasty and dirty. Yeah, fear is fear right now. And you're not picking them for go capture one tomb. Yeah, go capture one tomb.
Movement.
Yeah, may I come. Just give me 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Oof. My under every others, you see. You think my walk and dash over here when I pray? Yes, my love. Yes, my love. 20 minutes. I said them talk a while ago, I feel like I want to do though. I'll barely eat me a catch. You look at the breakfast when I cook, I put too much stamina in it. If I didn't even know so them I go and I poison them nastiness. Yeah, if I didn't even know so them bad up, I'm going to get a poison them nastiness. I'm not telling a lie, people just, why? Ladies, be careful who like you out the road. I'm going to tell you 25, stop calling up 25 name, no man don't make me get licked. I never get a beat now foreign yet, you know. Man don't make me get licked, man. Yeah, talk fast, auntie. Lord Jesus, you have a block and delete 25. Eh? Because no way. I'm going to go back to Jamaica this done. I'm going to go back to Jamaica and eat my spinach, my bad. Care about book for Zoe. Who for care about book for Zoe? Eh? And you're not crosses picking them for just go. Them for just go. A long time them for go, man. If I say being I'm afraid for you. Them are go like them are Barry White. Actually, they pan live, I don't want to cuss them and go and bad, you know. Actually, they pan live, I don't want to cuss them and go and bad. Yeah. But wait till I come off a live. If you don't see me come back later with a fat eye, you don't know it go. I'm a mouth, give me. You don't know my mouth, give me. Bring baby clothes to me, cause me could have to go down and bend down and dress our child. Me not ask you know. Me not ask you. You can't say your mother broke and hungry and the whole of us scavenger and you run go breed. Me not think like sex nice and body good in a hole. But come on man, put on your glasses and tell the cocky walk the way you come out before you vomit. Yeah, walk the way you put on your glasses. It's just the truth. No, it's just the truth. Put on your glasses. You're too careless. You see, we careless people always a jump and breathe and then a walk and seek help. You know, so the other day one woman coming in my inbox about Shebada, my vehicle, I don't know how much you can help me. My vehicle has been repo and I don't have it. Some of them are really and truly brave, you know. Me not even bother answer the lady because some things when me they go tell her me they lose the big jill of salvation when me I walk with. You go reach out to me boy, you care. Eh? You reach out to me, boy, you care. Them little bit I'm brave on the app. As soon as them I tell you say, you know, I'm a single mom and you're young. Me understand a 30-year-old breed and have no father for the baby. Me understand that. Me now ask you, if you have a child at your age 30 and you don't have a father, me not talk about the one them will have 16, 40, 11, Pitney, you know. No, it's true. I understand because life takes some away. You understand, my man not go always stay with someone. Me understand that. But when you're a little girl with your good hole, you go breed early. Me can't understand that. Make preparation just in case. When you're too happily ever after. Me no know only full of fairy tales, so Only too little bit and happily ever after, man. You tell me say your vehicle repo. And my mother want 2 sheets of zinc just in case storm come. And me if you talk about vehicle, then why you gotta take out vehicle if you know say you can't maintain it? Then you get on job and lose it already. And that's so honesty. One thing with Annie, she never ever work, you know. She never ever work because if she get a job, she have to depend on life. I don't know how to work it out. If she get a job, she have to depend on life. So all when Annie get the kitchen work and she cook, you go see her upon life. The people are going to put salt in it. We don't need for know. And all we need hypertension. We don't need for know if salt are going in it. No turn off her stomach. Yeah. We don't want to see her cook. We don't want to see her have nothing. Nothing at all. We don't want to see her do nothing after with nothing, man. Keep on the private. Then what are we? What do you them videotape Annie and her family? Them are walking in the town. Me love. Not her old clothes take them down. I never see something. Not even Burlington. Not Target have so much old clothes. Not even the clearance rack them have so much old clothes. Me say Annie and her Pitney them favor abandoned storeroom. Annie and her children them favor abandoned storeroom. Me a come! 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 It's so done at 20 minutes and me say 5 minutes them say leave. 5, yeah. 5, yeah. Me a come. Oh Jesus. Yeah. What are we them favor abandoned storeroom? People when me come back here, cause I can't see the boy here now. When I come back. Them have all reason for cuss me and tell me say my money like dog, you know. Them have all reason for cuss me and tell me say my I know my money for true people. My money, I can't hide it no more, yeah, man. My money like dog. And them something I can't bother with, you know. I mean, cuss and go and bother, you know, people. I just turn on the live, you know. That's why you know if you take man a foreign, you know. If me did have a boy at Jamaica now, he wouldn't have bad me up, so you know, because guess what, I look for police and run him down. Me a come, alright. Later, I love when you hear stay blessed, keep sweet, live, laugh, and love, and put before everybody and everyone. Chum. I hope TikTok lie and I see this, you know. Jesus have mercy.